Welcome to Winning Products.
Welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please like.
Before we progress further, if you find the content on this channel valuable, and you are new to this channel, please like. Remember to subscribe.
You can subscribe. Today's video, we'll look at how to create a Favicon for your website, be it if you're managing a small business, a dropshipping business, or businesses, and you are creating a website to sell products. We'll look at how to create a Favicon and the recommended size for a Favicon. Now it's a Favicon. Favicon is something like this. This is ALIEXPRESS product called headband magnifier glasses with LED lights, head mount magnifier, hands-free, reading magnifier glass for drawing and note craft. And this is all called a Favicon, and you can see. Now you then ask what's recommended size to create a Favicon for your website. You come over to Canva, you click on create design, create a design rather, and click on custom size. This is the appearance of canvas at the time I record this video. So click on custom size and you type in 197 by 197. That is recommended size. Then click on in pixels, click on create design. It loads and takes you to another page. You have to be patient while it loads. Okay, it takes us on that page, Canva creating. Takes us on that page. Then you can then create your Favicon like this. For example, we're going to use a tool on our desktop icon on taskbar rather, on our Microsoft taskbar called snippet tools. So I'm going to click on snippet tools, click on new, then I can easily pick this if I want to snippet tool, then rename it as save as headband magnifier, as headband magnifier. I'm sorry about the headband magnifier peak. I can see Favicon, and put it on our downloads, save. I want to save that and downloads. Let's assume this is a Favicon pic, and I will copy it, and I will just create a Favicon, and this is the pic. So you can let's click on this one. This one I've set formally, so I'm going to click Ctrl C, copy. Rather right click and copy, and then go further to this section and Ctrl Z to paste. So let's add this as a Favicon. So this is a Favicon. Then if you want to export it, you can drag it this way. Choose to, and this indicator is in center, and then if you want to, you can rename it as Favicon. Let's say 2020 for example. Then you can see we are signed in as winning products. Click on share, then click on download, and transfer it down. I see when you download, click on download, click on download, it downloads to your device system. So this is how you create a Favicon for your website, dropshipping business, or small business in 2022.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.